So here's an update. Here is a new tomato plant. You see I have some flowers on the vine already. I'm getting bees and wasps. I hope I don't have a wasp nest. I appreciate the bees. I keep checking the ceiling to make sure I don't have a new wasp nest. Here's my chocolate mint, lavender, basil. I got some of that last night. Rosemary, parsley, peppermint. The marigolds are all doing well. Sage, oregano, a lemon thyme. Here's some more marigold. And I brought this spider plant outside yesterday because it's just not doing well inside. And then back here I have some impatiens and more impatiens. New Guinea impatient. And that's it. That's all. So I made banana water by soaking my banana peels for 3 days. It's a great low-cost fertilizer, and it's good nutrients and nourishing for your plants. A little bit of banana water for all the plants, just a little bit. Look at those peppers. Don't they look nice in the vine? Eggplant growing, jalapeno, a little more water, and herbs. And a little bit over here with the okra. Look at these okra. Look at that. Here, some more. Some more, and more flowers. So things are growing. I have lots of tomatoes and flowers. Look at the flowers, so many more. And these cucumbers, they need more pollination. You see, they're trying to grow here. So tomorrow I'm gonna hand pollinate. Oh look, there's a bee. Thank you for pollinating my plants, Mr. Bumblebee. I don't want you to sting me, but I want you to pollinate my cucumbers. As you can see, my cucumber plants are taller than my door. They've been producing lots of flowers and very little cucumbers. So tomorrow, again, I'm gonna hand pollinate and show you the process in the video.